Once again, welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And it's Emancipation Day coming up in August 1st, in the Caribbean, in Guyana. And we want to celebrate. And usually, every August 1st, I will do a Metemgee. Metemgee is one of our ancestral dishes in Guyana, and was made by the slaves, was created by the slaves, and we want to put this together. So let's take you to those ingredients, and we'll do some Metemgee, emancipation style. Okay, now it may look like a lot of ingredients, but it's just what you need. Okay, we first do with the aromatics. You have some red onions, some purple onions, some tomatoes, some white onions, some celery, cilantro, and thyme. Anyway, so we have those are the aromatics, and here we have some meats. We'll start this with some bacon. We'll render some bacon to get that nice flavor before we do the aromatics. And then we're going to do, we have here some pigtails, a few pieces of pigtails, and some beef, salted beef. The salted beef, pigtails, aromatics. We're going to make some duff. Duff is a fluffy dumpling which has a baking powder in it, and it's very nice and soft. So we're going to do that. And here are the main ingredients. We have some corn, we have some sweet potato, we have here some eddos, we have some yuca or cassava, and we have some half-ripe plantains in there. I added a couple of carrots, and those are the root vegetables, and I think I have a yam in there. Yeah, I have a yam in there also. And these are the root vegetables that I'm going to use. Now, all this is going to be simmered in coconut milk, and this is coconut milk. I have like 4 cups of coconut milk here. We'll see how much we need. Also, I have some cod, some salted cod, which I soaked and then I seasoned with some bland seasoning. So we're going to put that just to steam on top of this. Then, to end it all, we're going to fry some fish. We have some banga, and we have some butterfish here. I have them soaking. This one is already seasoned. The butterfish is now soaking, and we're going to season that. We're going to fry this and just to serve with the Metemgee. And also, we're going to serve the Metemgee with some boiled eggs. So we're going to get some eggs, boiled eggs, and it's a hearty dish, and it's a celebration for emancipation. So let's go celebrate. I'll see you then. So here we are. We have everything in the pot. Our veggies, our grounds for provisions, codfish, our corn, our cassava, and everything. So now it's going to simmer. Now let this simmer until everything is nice and soft, and then we'll add our duffs. We'll add our duffs so they can cook. So whilst this is doing its thing, we'll mix the duff. And here's the dish coming together. We have your dumpling or duffs in there. The duff is nice and fluffy, and all the ground vegetables, the ground provisions, your pigtails, everything is wonderful. So we're about to fry some fish, and we're going to serve this with some fried fish on top. Also, the boiled eggs. We're going to put the boiled eggs in there and let the eggs boil along with this with the provisions. So once again, we're celebrating emancipation with some Metemgee, some Guyanese Metemgee. So here we are, the finished product, guys. Our celebration of emancipation, the Metemgee, the Guyanese Metemgee, served with a piece of fried fish and egg, and a boiled egg, You have your duffs, your plantains, your corn, everything in there, boiled with some pigtails and some salted beef, and you're good to go. So once again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll leave the link to the full recipe in the caption.